Incredibly clear water of the Albert Dock, these immigrants keep a low profile, but are definitely keen to stick around. Going down. Look at those!
The plumos and anemones, with their very, very fine tentacles, they'll be catching the tiny animals floating in the water that are feeding on these plants. So it's a whole self-sustaining community which maintains the water quality and thrives on the water quality. They must be looking straight on at a Korean sea squirt there. These came to Europe from the Far East in about 1950 and have then moved around on ships' bottoms and set up in quiet waters. There's now that's one of the two-spot gobies, and they're the commonest fish. There's a whole shoal of fish there.
I just find this mind-blowing. I look at this underwater seascape and I could be in the Mediterranean, I could be in the Great Barrier Reef, I could be anywhere. You don't think this is in the Albert Dock, do you?
Not really, no. It originated from little larvae which were floating around in the Irish Sea, which were then swept into the Albert Dock and then set up on the dock walls. And all these mussels are keeping the water clean.
How?
It's sucked in through that frilly one, through a sieve inside, and then put out through the other one.
To get behind the sun and cast his waves.
Those are a little sensitive, almost feelers, so that if anything approaches it, to grab hold of it, they will cut. Oh, a crab, yes, very good, yes. Yeah. There's some really old age pensioner crabs in here as well, which have only got a few legs, and you can always tell an old age pensioner crab because it has barnacles on its back. The orange colours are sponges. There's sort of orange bits of sponge. The other bits are relatives of coral, in fact. Oh, those are mysid shrimps, actually called an opossum shrimp. Because, yeah, if you get them closer, they look just like a little opossum, and then they've got a pouch, and then they carry their young in the pouch. There's a self-sustaining population of jellyfish in the dock now. It's the common moon jellyfish, because it has little sort of moon marks on its top. It's the one species in Britain which doesn't actually sting.
But the star of this show has to be this fella, a giant eel.